We are pleased to show you the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.